Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, and today we are diving into a smartphone that is ready to shake up the mid-range market in a big way, the Realme C85 Pro 5G 2026. This device is designed for users who want premium looks, powerful performance, next-level connectivity, and long-lasting reliability, all packed into a phone that feels far more expensive than it actually is. Right from the first glance, the Realme C85 Pro 5G looks modern, bold, and stylish. Realme has focused heavily on design this year, giving the phone a sleek glass-like back finish with a refined camera module that adds a premium touch. The slim frame and curved edges make it comfortable to hold, while the solid build quality ensures durability for daily use. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos, this phone feels balanced and confident in the hand. On the front, the Realme C85 Pro 5G features a large immersive display that instantly grabs attention. The smooth high refresh rate screen makes everything feel fluid, from social media scrolling to gaming and video playback. Colors look vibrant, brightness levels are impressive even outdoors, and the viewing angles are wide. If you enjoy watching movies, YouTube content, or playing fast-paced games, this display delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience without compromise. Performance is where the Realme C85 Pro 5G truly shines. Powered by an advanced 5G-ready chipset built for efficiency and speed, this phone handles daily tasks effortlessly. Multitasking feels smooth, apps open quickly, and even demanding games run with stable frame rates. Combined with optimized RAM management and fast internal storage, the phone stays responsive even under heavy usage. Whether you are a casual user or a power user, the C85 Pro 5G keeps up with your lifestyle without lag. Camera lovers will be pleasantly surprised by what Realme has done here. The Realme C85 Pro 5G comes with an advanced AI-powered camera system that captures sharp, detailed photos in various lighting conditions. Daylight shots are crisp with natural colors, while night photography benefits from improved noise control and enhanced brightness. Portrait mode delivers clean edge detection with pleasing background blur, making your photos look social media ready. The front camera is equally impressive, producing clear selfies and smooth video calls, perfect for content creators and everyday users alike. Battery life is another strong point of this device. The Realme C85 Pro 5G packs a massive battery that easily lasts a full day and beyond on a single charge. Whether you are streaming, gaming, browsing, or attending online meetings, you won't be constantly reaching for the charger. And when you do need to power up, fast charging support ensures you're back in action quickly, saving you valuable time. Software experience on the Realme C85 Pro 5G feels clean, fast, and user-friendly. The latest Realme UI based on Android offers smooth animations, smart features, and plenty of customization options. Privacy controls, performance optimizations, and battery management features make the overall experience smarter and more efficient. Realme has clearly worked on reducing unnecessary clutter, giving users a smoother and more enjoyable interface. Connectivity is future-ready with full 5G support, ensuring faster download speeds, low latency, and a more stable network experience. Along with this, the phone includes all essential connectivity options like fast Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and enhanced call quality, making it a reliable companion for both work and entertainment. Overall, the Realme C85 Pro 5G 2026 is a powerful all-rounder that delivers exceptional value. It combines a premium design, smooth display, strong performance, reliable cameras, long battery life, and future-ready 5G connectivity into one attractive package. For anyone looking to upgrade to a stylish and capable smartphone without breaking the bank, the Realme C85 Pro 5G stands out as a smart and confident choice in 2026. If you're searching for a phone that balances performance, style, and reliability, this one definitely deserves your attention.